A garden of healing nature's pharmacy at your doorstep, filled with nature's wonders. Imagine stepping into your garden, a sanctuary of health. You inhale the fragrant air, filled with the essence of healing. Sun-warmed herbs brush against your fingers, connecting you to the earth. You are surrounded by nature's healers, each plant offering its unique benefits. This is the magic of a medicinal herb garden, a place of tranquility and health. Growing your own medicinal herbs is a rewarding experience, nurturing both body and soul. It connects you to nature's healing power, grounding you in the present moment. You can use these herbs to make your own remedies tailored to your needs. These remedies will be fresh and potent, harnessing the full power of the plants. Homegrown herbs are more potent than store-bought ones, brimming with life. They are bursting with vitality, ready to support your health. This is because they are used fresh from the garden, at their peak. You know exactly how they were grown, ensuring their purity. No harmful chemicals are used, preserving their natural goodness. This ensures their purity and effectiveness, making them powerful allies in health. A medicinal herb garden is a treasure, a source of endless benefits. It empowers you to take control of your health, fostering independence. You become your own healer, crafting remedies with confidence. Let's discover how to create this garden of healing together, step by step. Planting your healing herbs is a rewarding experience. Echinacea, lavender, and chamomile. These herbs not only beautify your garden but also offer numerous health benefits. Let's start with 3 wonderful herbs: Echinacea, lavender, and chamomile. Each of these herbs has unique properties and uses. These herbs are easy to grow and maintain, making them perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. They have powerful medicinal properties that can be used in various home remedies. Echinacea. This beautiful flower is known as an immune booster. It can help reduce the duration of colds and flu. It thrives in well-drained soil and loves the sun. Make sure to plant it in a sunny spot in your garden. Sow seeds directly into the ground after the last frost. This ensures the best growth conditions for your Echinacea. Lavender. This fragrant herb is famous for its calming properties. It can be used in teas, oils, and even in your bath. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Plant it in a location where it can get plenty of sunlight. Purchase young plants from a nursery if you want a head start. This can save you time and ensure healthy growth. Plant them in spring or autumn for the best results. This timing helps the plants establish roots before extreme weather. Chamomile. These cheerful, daisy-like flowers are known for their soothing properties. They are often used in teas to promote relaxation. Choose German chamomile for medicinal use. It is more potent and effective for making herbal remedies. Sow seeds directly into the ground in spring or autumn. This will give your chamomile the best chance to thrive. Water your herbs regularly, especially during dry spells. Consistent watering is key to healthy plants. Weeding regularly helps your herbs thrive. Removing weeds ensures that your herbs get all the nutrients they need. Soon, you'll have a bountiful harvest of Echinacea, lavender, and chamomile, ready to be used in your home remedies. Nature's medicine cabinet, the healing power of herbs. For centuries, people have used herbs for healing. Each herb has unique properties. Let's explore the medicinal benefits of Echinacea, lavender, and chamomile. Echinacea. This powerful herb strengthens the immune system. It helps the body fight off infections, particularly colds and flu. It can be used to make teas, tinctures, and capsules. Lavender. This calming herb eases anxiety and stress. It promotes relaxation and restful sleep. Its essential oil is used in aromatherapy. It can also be enjoyed in teas and baths. Chamomile. This gentle herb soothes the digestive system. It relieves anxiety and promotes sleep. It is commonly enjoyed as a relaxing tea. Harvesting your herbs at the right time ensures their potency. Here's how to harvest Echinacea, lavender, and chamomile. Echinacea. Harvest both the flowers and leaves. Collect them in mid-morning after the dew has dried. For the best flavor, harvest before the flowers are fully open. Lavender. Harvest the flower stalks just as the buds begin to open. This is when their fragrance is at its peak. Cut the stalks in the morning after the dew has dried. Chamomile. Harvest the flowers when they are fully open. Pick them in the morning after the dew has dried. Choose flowers that are bright and perky. Dry your harvested herbs in a well-ventilated, shady spot. Store them in airtight containers in a cool, dark place. Now let's explore simple yet effective remedies you can make at home. Remedies that harness the natural power of herbs to support your well-being. Echinacea tincture. This potent remedy boosts immunity and helps ward off colds and infections. Combine dried echinacea root and leaves with alcohol in a jar. Let it steep for several weeks, shaking occasionally to mix. Strain and store in a dark glass bottle to protect it from light. Lavender Sleep Pillow. This calming pillow promotes relaxation and sleep, helping you unwind after a long day. Fill a small cloth bag with dried lavender flowers, place it inside your pillowcase. Enjoy the soothing aroma as you drift off to sleep, enhancing your sleep quality. Chamomile tea. This gentle tea calms the nerves and aids digestion, making it perfect for winding down. Steep dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy a cup before bedtime or after meals to soothe your stomach and mind. Remember to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before using herbal remedies, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying health conditions. Your health and safety are paramount.